Laptop freezes during startup. Are you staring at a frozen screen right now? Your laptop is stuck on the logo, and your important work is just sitting there. It is incredibly frustrating when your computer fails you at the worst possible time. But do not worry, we have the solutions for you. If you watch this full video, you can fix this problem yourself at home. No expensive repair shop needed today. Please comment if you face any difficulty during these steps. I will reply within 1 hour to help you. Also, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more useful tech fixes. Now let us jump in. Let us start with the first verified fix. This is a simple hard reset. This helps drain residual power. First, completely power off your laptop by holding the power button down for 15 seconds. Ensure it is fully dark. Unplug the power cable and remove the battery if your model allows it. This isolates the motherboard completely. Hold the power button again for 30 seconds to drain any hidden residual power from the internal components. Plug the power cable back in and try to start your laptop. This simple step often clears temporary memory glitches. If that did not work, let us try the Startup Repair tool. This is a built-in Windows recovery feature. Turn on your laptop and force a shutdown as soon as the logo appears. Repeat this process 3 times in a row. Your laptop will enter the Windows recovery environment. This is a blue screen with troubleshooting options. Go to Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options, then select Startup Repair. Windows will now scan and fix boot errors automatically. If the freeze continues, we need to enter Safe Mode to troubleshoot deeper. This loads only essential drivers. In the same Advanced Options menu, go to Startup Settings and select Restart. Your laptop will reboot to a menu. When the menu appears, press the number 4 key to enable Safe Mode. Wait for the desktop to load. Once you are on the desktop, let us fix corrupted system files. Type sfc//scano and press enter. While in safe mode, it is also helpful to check your startup apps. Disable unnecessary apps to speed up your boot. Sometimes external devices cause a boot freeze. Unplug all USB-C drives, printers, or your mouse. Check your Wi-Fi connection too. Another proven fix is resetting your BIOS settings to default. Restart and tap the F2 or delete key repeatedly. Go to the Exit tab, then select Load Setup Defaults, then select Save and Exit. This restores factory startup settings. Finally, for advanced users, use the command prompt in recovery mode. Type bootrec//fix mbr and press enter. Now your laptop is back in action and running smooth. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Stay confident and keep exploring.